Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal bars. First, gather your core ingredients for the perfect base. You'll need rolled oats, all-purpose flour, and a sweetener like brown sugar. Don't forget a fat source, such as melted butter or a neutral oil, to add moisture and bind everything together. A touch of baking powder or soda will give your bars a lovely, tender crumb. These simple components are the foundation for a truly satisfying treat. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together all your dry ingredients until they are well combined. Next, pour in your melted butter or oil and any other wet components. Mix gently until the dough just comes together. Overmixing can lead to tough bars. Take about 2/3 of this delicious oat mixture and firmly press it into the bottom of a greased 9 by 13-inch baking pan, forming your base layer. This is where you can get creative with your oatmeal bars. Consider adding a flavorful filling like your favorite fruit jam, a generous sprinkle of chocolate chips, or a mix of chopped nuts for extra crunch. Carefully spread your chosen filling evenly over the pressed oat base. Then, take the remaining 1/3 of your oat mixture and crumble it loosely over the top of the filling. This creates that classic, irresistible streusel-like topping. It's time to bake your wonderful oatmeal bars. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pan in the oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. The bars should appear set in the center. Once baked, the most important step is to let them cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. This ensures clean cuts and perfectly firm, delicious squares.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.